Homestead, and it's time to do our daily egg collection. So let's see what we got today. I got my glove on.
Oh.
Ooh, we do got some eggs. But they're all here. Okay. So, we got one over here. Might as well start here. Oh, we got two. 1, 2. We got 3, 4, 5. And I guess we can check under her and see. She's not as mean. She's nice there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 6, 7, 8. I don't think she has any more. I think that was it. Okay, good. There you go. Okay, honey. So 8. These are the meaner ones. 8. Ow! Ow! There's 9. Okay. 10.
This one is a feisty one.
So is she. 10. She doesn't have any. Okay, it could be.
That's why she's feisty.
10. This one has a couple. 11, 12. Okay, we got 12. Let's see. 12. Ooh, we got 13. 14, 15. And that's it for now. Let's go check the other spots. Barn, because I saw a hen in here. Sure enough. I had 15, so here's 16, 17. Let's go check the coops again. So here's 18. 19, 20. Got feathers with those. Put the feather back. I'm gonna have to clean these nesting boxes. Here's 20. I didn't bring my glove. Oh, I didn't bring my glove. I left it inside. Oh. 21. Let me see. And 22. That is not her egg. Okay, 22. I'm gonna go check the other shop. So that's 23. And there's one there. So that's 24. Those are rocks. Look at layers. They one every single day, pretty much. Okay, 24. I have an olive egger that likes to lay me a speckled egg, so that's always fun. Speckly green egg. I think it was at 24. So here's 25 and 26. 26. Good job, ladies.